Even as the government decides whether to extend the traffic ticket amnesty, the Justice Minister is this evening sending a strong message to motorists who continue to disobey the road code, racking up thousands of dollars in outstanding traffic tickets. Delroy Chuck says the government is moving to suspend some drivers' licenses until the tickets are paid. But what about those who want to take the matter to traffic court? And will the traffic ticket amnesty be extended? Details from TVJ's Andrea Chisholm.
A need for speed. 3 lanes created when only 2 are designated. A few choice words. Characteristics of a typical day on the roads in Jamaica.
The roads are where you see crassness, callousness, brutish behavior, indiscipline.
That contributed to a number of motorists forking out thousands of dollars to pay traffic fines to a cash-strapped government. During the 3-month traffic ticket amnesty, which ended on October 31, Tax Administration Jamaica said it collected $590 million, but $2.2 billion was outstanding.
And I want to send a clear message to all those traffic breakers who have not paid their fines. We're coming for you.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says the warrants are being prepared to arrest those persons and take them to court. But with an overburdened court system and limited police personnel, some motorists may scoff at that assertion. The government may have another card to play.
I would like to examine, and I've asked my legal department to look at the possibility that anybody who has 10 tickets or more, that we find a way to suspend them from driving until they deal with the 10 tickets.
Plus, the traffic court system will be strengthened.
I will be speaking to the Minister of National Security and ask him to give me some of the money collected so we can employ some more part-time judges so that early next year we deal with all the cases. This week, later this week or early next week, we're going to add 2 additional traffic courts. And I'm putting them up right at Sabina Park, so you have a whole heap of parking space. You can come and stay and pay your traffic fines or challenge, as the case may be.
Now, there have been arguments for and against an extension of the traffic ticket amnesty. Cabinet is expected to deliberate on the matter. The nation is yet to be updated, but the Justice Minister had this to say.
The Minister of National Security is to make a decision whether we extend it. But if it is extended, it will not be more than 2 weeks. And after that 2 weeks, the full brunt of the law will be brought to bear.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.